welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to review our August July box for Boxycharm. We have some really good products in here and I cannot wait to dig in and show you what we have. So before we get started, I am going to tell you that Voodoo Bob will not be here because he is doing a makeover. Him and another voodoo doll were hexing each other, so now he needs to go incognito and change his appearance, so that's why he's not in this video. Okay, so the theme of this box, it is called glamping, but it also has spa, sunbathe, yoga, and slumber, and my variation is variation 39. If you can see that there, you could never focus on that. Very disappointing. So I'm gonna dig right in. So the first thing is the GlamGlow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. This is the choice item I chose for August because I'm like, oh yes, I want some rich, beautiful, hydrating skin. So this is a moisturizer, lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with Omega Rich Cannabis Seed Oil. Okay, I chose this, but when they were giving the description in the website, they did not say it had cannabis seed oil. I am allergic to that. I am allergic to cannabis, hemp oil. I just break out and it activates my asthma, unfortunately. So I always have to read the ingredients very carefully since nowadays people are including hemp and cannabis oil in everything in beauty nowadays. So this beautiful GlamGlow lotion I'm going to give to my mother because she's not allergic to it. It works wonders for her. She's already been using it for 2 days and you see a difference. And the retail price for this is $54. So that's not bad for a hydrating GlamGlow product, especially, you know, GlamGlow is one of those good quality high. The second item in the box is Teddy Boy from Butter London. This is a 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring high versatile cool tone neutral hues, which is true. It's very cool and it's very neutral, which is nice for an everyday look. If you're not used to or don't like using bright colors, this is a great palette for you. They're very beautiful and the names are funny. Some of the names are Freddie, Simon, Mike, and I find it like Teddy Boy, I don't know, it's very cute. It reminds me of, you know, the Rat Pack back in the days. This is something I'm not going to use. I'm going to give this to my mother because she likes cool tones, and for mature skin, cool tones do look nice. And the retail price for the Butter London eyeshadow palette is $28. Alright, so the next thing is the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. I've never had a fiber gel product before. I had fiber mascaras and those worked wonderful. Just gotta be careful because the fiber goes in the eye. That's it for Kiki. My eyes are bloodshot. So this is nice. It's small, and then you see the wand. Okay, so the wand is tiny. Normally, some brows are like bigger and thicker. I like how the brush is tiny. So let me read the description for you guys. Alright, so this tinted vegan brow gel formulated with thickening heart-shaped fibers and contain, oh my god, this has hemp cannabis seed oil, long-lasting fullness, shape, and definition. Mátame, te juro, mátame, just kill me. I understand hemp and cannabis seed oil is good for the skin, it's perfect for reducing redness, for hydration and all that jazz, but I am just, alright, can't be too mad, right? Luckily I'm not a brow person because I was really disappointed with the GlamGlow because I heard great reviews about this, but I didn't do my research, and every time I looked it up it was nowhere near mentioning that it had hemp or cannabis seed oil. I'm like, okay, awesome. Okay, since I opened it but I did not touch it, I am going to give this away in a future box because I'm not going to use this, and I know no one in my house is going to use it because we're not big brow people. We just fill it in the little scabs that we have there and then we're done. And then if we do want to fill them in, we just use eyeshadow. So, okay. Really disappointed though. Alright, so this retails for $20. The next one, which I'm super excited about because I was just talking to my family how I need more makeup brushes. Even though I have a shit ton, I need some. So this is the Morphe I got this brush set. This is a 4 natural synthetic eye brush you need to pull off all the glorious looks. Go on and sweep. I am super happy with this. This retails for $12, and I am so glad I got brushes. I love getting brushes in Boxycharm because it gives me an opportunity to test out brushes from different brands I've never tried before. And yeah, this is a perfect, you can tell this is a natural hair because it's white and the rest are synthetic. Also, if you don't know what kind of eyeshadows to get, this set is perfect because it has a big blending brush, a smaller one, a flat one, and then a angle brush. These are great brushes to start off with if you are trying to, if you're starting out in doing eyeshadow. Alright, and lastly, it is this, oh Lord, is this one? I know you can focus, but this is another brow pencil. Okay, so this is the first Boxycharm gives me two eyebrow products in one. Let me see. Okay, so it's very thin. I like that. It's very thin. What else? Let me read the description. Definer brow pencil. It is a long-lasting micro tip pencil. Allows you to create individual like hair for a nice bold look. This creamy base formula glides on beautifully and naturally on the skin. This waterproof pencil is stress-free to help you through any challenges. And this is for $16. Oh, okay, cool. I'm like a kid. It's double-ended, so one end you brush out your brows, and then the other end is the pencil. I like that very, very much. I like how it's very thin. It's very skinny. To fill those little huequitos that I have in my brows to make them look thicker and fuller. I'm glad it did not have any cannabis oil in it because I was going to die. You know what I'm saying? So that is it for my August Boxycharm. Cute, short, and sweet. I wanted to review the products that we had inside. 2 of them I have to give away. The third one I choose to give away because I know I'm not going to grab for it, and why not give it to someone I know who likes these colors. So that is it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them down in the comments below, and follow me on Instagram with Kiki Moon down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.